Hello, friends. Welcome once again to Only Creations. This platform, right? This channel is created purposely for AI animations, right? So we create animations using AI. So this is a channel. Please, if this is the first time you're watching, and if you've already watched our videos and you've not subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button so that we can grow the channel. So today I'm gonna make a video on how you can create these stunning ASMR videos. I'm gonna teach you how you can create videos like this. So many people ask, how is this possible? Trust me, it's super easy. It's really easy for you to be able to make ASMR videos like this. So this I did it personally on my channel. I do have other videos like this. So like I said, it's very easy. This evening I'm gonna teach you how you can also create beautiful ASMR videos like this. And as you can see, there are a lot of people creating this, and it's trust me, it's viral. It's really out there. Many people are watching. So that's the best way to grow your channel. As you know, I have adopted and gradually I'm growing my channel. So I'm gonna use just two tools, right? I'm gonna use ChatGPT and also there's a tool called Grok, right? So now I'm gonna use the ChatGPT to generate the glass fruits, like what we can see here. And then once I get that generated, I'm gonna use the Grok tool to animate it. Very, very, very easy. Now let's get into it. Now, ChatGPT has a model embedded in it that was designed specifically for ASMR, videos. Sorry, ASMR images. So now let's go to ChatGPT and then you do slash GPTs. So that's what's gonna give you the opportunity to be able to explore the various models ChatGPT has, right? So we will go to ASMR because that's the focus of this video. Okay, so that's it. Like I said, this is it already is designed purposely for ASMR images, right, and prompts. So you don't have to provide, you know, huge, prompt or detailed prompt before you can get the glass fruit you need. So for instance, you can just provide the fruit and then the color, and then automatically this ChatGPT model is gonna create the glassy fruit you can see. So this evening, let's do green cucumber, right? So green cucumber. So that's all you do. You just give the prompt, and then you give the fruit, and then the color, and then you see ChatGPT. The ASMR ChatGPT model is just gonna come up with a prompt. Now, it says, "Would you like me to generate this image?" Yes, but one thing you have to. Okay, let's move forward. I'll teach you this. So yes, I want you to, but it's gonna ask you what ratio. So what's the purpose? Do you want to use this for YouTube short? Do you want to use this for TikTok or a normal, YouTube video? So we just want to go with the 9:16 ratio, right? So mostly if you want to create a video for YouTube shorts or TikTok, you use the 9:16 ratio. So we just type 9:16, enter. So ChatGPT is gonna create the image for us. So like I said, it's very very easy. No hassle. You don't have to think about prompt. How you can design the prompt, etc. It's very very easy for you to make those ASMR videos. The only challenging part sometimes is getting the sound, because some models, some AI tools, once it animates, it does not really produce the sound. Okay, voila. So we have our green glass cucumber, right? So as simple as that. So let's do um, yellow uh, pawpaw, right? So yellow, comma, pawpaw. Very, very easy. You see? Then, yes. Yes, so let's go with 916. Okay, yeah. So knowing this, you just come up with any fruit, any ideas you have, and then ChatGPT is just gonna the model is just gonna create the image for you. Now that we have the image, the next thing we have to do is to animate it. So that's the tricky part, right? Um Grok is really doing well. There are a lot of videos you can, I mean, a lot of tools you can use in animating these AI images, right? So we have Clang AI, we have Leonardo AI, etc. So I'm just gonna use Grok for this particular tutorial, right? So I want to animate the green cucumber, so I'll just download it, and then let me go to, let's see. Okay, so I'll just type Grok. I think Grok belongs to Elon Musk, right? Yeah. So when you go to Grok and then you hit Imagine, you see these are sample tools other people they've created, right? So once you go to Imagine, you hit on the attach button and then upload. So this is what we just created. You hit open. Now you have to give it a prompt. So automatically, without you giving it any prompt, Grok 2 is so smart that it will automatically animate. It will just imagine what you want to do, and then it will animate the image for you without you telling it anything. You see, we didn't tell it to animate it, but it's animating it for us. But this is not really what we want, and so we need to customize it. So I'm gonna say generate an ASMR glass slicing of green cucumber. Okay, I'm just gonna give it this simple instruction. Let's see. Let's see what. So now you see the prompt is blinking, so that means it's gonna take effect. Let's see. Let's see if it is gonna give us what we really need. Okay. Yes. You see, even though it's not really giving it animating the way we want, but you see the instruction I gave it, that's what now is doing. So let's see. Uh, so with the little experience I've gotten so far with working with AI tools is it's not easy coming up with prompts, right? Beautiful. You see, now it's better as compared to first. Yeah. Okay, we can download this. Let's try another. So smaller slicing of glass cucumber, producing ASMR sound. Okay, we're just trying our luck with several prompts. So as you can see, it's very easy. This actually gave us some ASMR sound, so we don't really need to edit the video and then attach other sound to it. No, I don't like this. But hey, that is what that's gonna be the end of the video today. We used ChatGPT's model ASMR to create the ASMR fruit, glass fruit, and then we used Grok to animate it. So let me show you some of the things I have done. See, so these are the prompts I gave. So let me copy this and then let's use it for our prompts. Let's see. Glass cucumber, right? So let's see if it's gonna at least give us something. So hey guys, as you can see, it's very easy for you to create yours. Be creative. Just come up with your own ideas now that you know the tools you can use in creating it. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. All right. So thank you very much for watching. This is Anli Creations again. If this is your first time watching this video or first time visiting this channel, please don't leave without hitting the subscribe button, and also put us on post notifications so anytime I post any video, you can get access to it. So thank you very much for the support and watch out for more videos like this. Thank you.